I am giving two questions. Find A inverse in two ways. That is inverse of a matrix. Prove the given equation, hence find A inverse. And second one is by using A inverse equal to adjoin A by determinant A. Here one example is given. A equal to matrix 3, 1, negative 1, 2. Show that A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. Hence find A inverse. A equal to matrix 3, 1, negative 1, 2. A square. We want to prove that A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0. So first find A square. Matrix 3, 1, negative 1, 2. 3, 1, negative 1, 2. Then first row into first column. That is 3 into 3 plus 1 into negative 1. 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Second row into first column. Negative 1 into 3 plus negative 2, 3 plus 2 into negative 1. Negative 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. That's equal to 9 plus negative 1, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. Negative 3 plus negative 2, negative 5. Negative 1 plus 4, 3. Then you substitute these values in this equation. A square minus 5A plus 7I. A square is a matrix, so matrix 8, 5, negative 5, 3 minus 5 into A, 3, 1, negative 1, 2 plus 7 into I is 1, 0, 0, 1. That is identity matrix of 2 by 2 matrix. That's equal to matrix 8, 5, negative 5, 3 minus multiply by 5, the second matrix 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into negative 1, negative 5, 5 into 2, 10 plus multiply the 1, 0, 0, 1 by 7, then 7, 0, 0, 7. Then do the calculation. 8 minus 15 plus 7. Add and subtract corresponding elements. 5 minus 5 plus 0. Negative 5 minus minus 5. That is negative 5 plus 5 plus 0. And second element 3 minus 10 plus 7. That's equal to first one 8 minus 15. Negative 7 plus 7, 0. 5 minus 5, 0 plus 0, 0. Negative 5 plus 5, 0 plus 0, 0. 3 minus negative 3 minus 10 plus 7. That is negative 7 plus 7. That's equal to 0. So it becomes 0 matrix. Hence proved. Then to find A inverse from that, A square minus 5A plus 7A equal to 0. Transpose term of I to RHS. That is A square minus 5A equal to negative 7I. Then post multiplying, multiply all the terms of this equation by A inverse. A inverse into A, that is pre-multiplying. A into A inverse is post multiplying. So we can write A square as A into A. So we multiply by A inverse. So we get A into A inverse. We put A inverse in one bracket minus 5 into A inverse equal to negative 7 I into A inverse. That implies A inverse equal to I minus 5 into again I equal to negative 7 into A inverse. That is A inverse equal to A inverse equal to I. And I into A inverse equal to A inverse. We use these results here. That implies A into I. A minus 5I equal to negative 7A inverse. Therefore, A inverse equal to, you transpose this negative 7 to left side. Negative 1 by 7 into A minus 5I. Then substitute the values. Negative 1 by 7 into A 3, 1, matrix 3, 1, negative 1, 2 minus 5 into 1, 0, 0, 1. That is negative 1 by 7 into 3, 1, negative 1, 2 minus 5, 0, 0, 5. That's equal to negative 1 by 7 into 3 minus 5. Subtract the corresponding elements. 1 minus 0, negative 1 minus 0, 2 minus 5. That is negative 1 by 7 into matrix negative 2, 1, negative 1, negative 3. That is A inverse equal to 1 by 7 into multiply by negative sign 2, negative 1, 1, 3. This is A inverse by the first method. Then again we are doing this question as A inverse equal to adjoint A by determinant A. A equal to matrix 3, 1, negative 1, 2. Find A inverse using determinants. That is A inverse equal to adjoint A by determinant A. Then write A equal to 3, 1, negative 1, 2. Determinant A is equal to determinant 3, 1, negative 1, 2. That is 6 minus minus 1. That is 6 plus 1 equal to 7. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Then we want to find out adjoint A. Adjoint A, this is 2 by 2 matrix. Therefore, we can do easily. Interchange the diagonal elements 3, 2. So 2, 3. And change the sign of the next diagonal elements. Negative 1. And in second row first element becomes 1. Then A inverse equal to adjoint A by determinant A. That is matrix 2, negative 1, 1, 3 divided by 7. Therefore, A inverse equal to 1 by 7, 2, negative 1, 1, 3. In these two cases, this A inverse is same. So, always say question to find out A inverse in board exam. If you like this, click the like button, share this to all your friends. If you are watching this channel for the first time, subscribe it. Okay, thank you.